simulating a price list before you publish it in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to run proposed prices against real recent orders and see the dollar impact so a price change becomes a checked decision instead of a guess. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales Price Lists from your dashboard. Before you publish a price change, it's worth seeing exactly what it does across your customer base. Open a price list and use the price what-if simulation from here. I'll run your proposed prices against real recent order volume and show you a side-by-side, what customers paid under current prices and what they'd have paid under the new ones. You'll see the dollar and percentage impact per SKU and per customer, so you can catch a price change that's too aggressive or too small before it goes live. If the numbers look right, go back and publish. If something looks off, adjust and simulate again. This turns a price change from a guess into a checked decision.